So, good afternoon on a damp, wet and windy Sunday. Today, as most of you probably will recognise that are from Ireland, I'm in the Phoenix Park. We're up again with Jackson has an appointment tomorrow, so we came up there early. But it's really wet, cold, miserable day, so Jackson and Christina have stayed in the hotel, and obviously it would have been a long boring day, so I'm getting out for an hour. My target today will be the red squirrel. The last time I was here I done the fallow deer and really enjoyed it. It's just for practice with the camera. So I do know that just the main road going up through Phoenix Park, I suppose, is the bones of 50 metres, and then there's like a running lane. You see a lot of people running in a walking lane, and a lot of these oak trees and acorn trees, and this is where you're going to find the grey squirrel. And just back a small bit, I think by the cricket club, there's a small bit of a pond. There's a few trees around that. You'd often see them there as well. So I'm a bit loud now, but I'm going to be quiet, walk up along, try to get a few photos and a small bit of image and see how we get on. So let's have a step into nature and see, can we get some. So just there's a squirrel eating a hazelnut. The grey squirrel. I assume there's like a hole there, and that's his tray. I'm just going to try to take a few photos now. On a dark overcast day like this and the rain coming down, actually in the trees is probably the best place to be. The rain doesn't seem to be getting in here, so you can stay dry, but your photos are going to be colossal on ISO. It's almost night time in here, but you just have to do what you have to do. Can you see him? It's like he's waving. Hi, pal. So obviously this is his dray, so his nest. So like if I move, he'll shoot down into it. I think when you mentioned the grey squirrel in Ireland, it's not a very popular creature. I believe it carries a disease called squirrel pox, and wherever it inhabits, the red squirrel could be normally gone or die out within 10 to 15 years of it. And I suppose conservationists want to see our own native squirrels survive, but for photography they are a beautiful little creature. I can't take it away from them, and obviously not their fault. I think at the start of the 19th century they were imported from America. Fancy landlords, zoos, things like that started bringing them in, and obviously then they started escaping. Tricky little animals, so they were always going to escape and started breeding in the wild. So the Phoenix Park is really a lush place for them to live. Small bit of research there, like there's 707 acres of prime land and forestry here. Acorns, hazelnut, oak trees, full of berries, like just plenty for them to eat here. And I do know that pine martens have been released into certain wooded areas to try and control them, but I've never heard it about Phoenix Park, so there's no real natural predator. Only the fox up here, and if they get off the ground they're pretty much safe. Last time we were here I definitely seen a sparrowhawk. Wasn't fast enough to get the camera out, so I suppose there were a few kind of birds of prey around as well. Interesting. So I'm actually just going to sit down here for a few minutes. I've been walking there now for a while. Legs are absolutely killing me. Myself, Dave, and a lad from Clare Camera Club, Paddy, went out on Friday to Loughborough, and I think we walked 8.5 miles and cycled 16, so pretty hard on the legs. Loads of wildlife up there, but unfortunately didn't get any good images. I'm definitely going to repeat it, probably next week or the week after, but the day rut will be on my agenda first. I'm definitely going to try to do the day rut. I haven't done it yet as a photographer, so I'm hoping that will be my next one. So just where I was sitting, squirrel literally ran on the tree beside me. That's why my head was bopping over and back. Obviously way too slow with the camera, but there's a small bit of madness in this. To be going out in this crazy weather, looking for that perfect photo, or looking for a photo that you love yourself. I don't know if there's such thing as the perfect photo, but if you like your own photography and if you like the photos you're getting, then you have the perfect photo, don't you? I'm going to keep going. I'm actually after doing a U-turn, so I'm on my way back, so I have a good hour of a walk ahead of me, I assume, and I'll stop and do another few photos and videos if I see squirrel on the way back. But I actually haven't even seen a fallow deer here today, and I'm after doing some track. So there you go. People think that they're at hand, they're not that at hand. So hopefully next week I'm going to go to Killarney and do the rut, and hopefully get a good video of that and a couple of good pictures. Definitely one to watch out for. We're definitely going to go back to Lochbora in County Offaly. Be a great day up there Friday. Walk the legs off ourselves. But we've seen hares, rabbits, fox, hen harrier, buzzards, sparrowhawk. We got images, got pictures, but nothing fantastic. But it is great to get a record for yourself and to know where these things are, that we could set it up a little bit better. We definitely will be going back there, so I think there's 2 videos definitely coming up soon, Lochbora and Killarney in the rut. And you know me, I'm always out. We'll get something else. Please like and subscribe, it means a lot to me. Thanks for all the likes and subscribes I've got so far, and keep them coming. Thanks guys, bye.